Let's get started. First, open the Start menu, type Task Manager, and open it. If you see any process using your USB drive or external hard drive, right-click it and select End Task. Now try ejecting the drive again. Method 2. Open the Start menu and type File Explorer. Open it. On the left side, find your USB flash drive or external hard drive. Right-click it and select Eject. Check if that works. Method 3. Open the Start menu and type Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Open it. Now find your drive in the list. Right-click it and select Eject. See if the drive ejects properly. Method 4. Right-click the Start button. Select Shutdown or Sign Out. Click on Sign Out. Now sign back into Windows. Try ejecting the drive again. If none of the previous methods worked, simply restart your computer. Once Windows loads again, try ejecting the drive. Your USB or external hard drive should now eject correctly,